What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Makari's Cakes here, and I'm super excited to have you guys here on the channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you all how to make this yummy egg rolls. This is our signature egg roll. Like I used to say, all my recipes are signature, and I'm super excited to say that. So please, if you're really interested to watch this video, I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. So welcome back, guys. So these are the recipes here, but before I start, I want to really appreciate you all as regards my previous video. Thank you all so much for the engagement. Thank you so much, for you guys watching, for your likes, for your share. I see you guys. Somebody even said that that she watched my art, and I'm really thankful for that. So may God bless you all. And I want you all to stay on this video because trust me, you're going to learn a lot. Once again, thank you all so much, and God bless you all. So yeah, this is the my recipe here. Please check for the recipe in the description of this video. Okay, so yeah, I have my flour and I have my sugar. So I try to mix everything completely. Then the next ingredient I'm going to add here is my baking powder. Okay, and the next one I'm going to add here is my margarine. Yes, so when I try to add margarines, I have to give it a mix. Make sure that you try to mix everything into breadcrumbs. You don't want to see any form of margarine or butter inside your flour, or maybe when you're trying to mix everything, you'll now be seeing some chunks of margarine or butter, inside your dough. It does not make sense because when you're frying, it's going to really absorb oil and then make your egg roll to be soggy. So make sure that you try to mix everything to form a proper breadcrumbs. So when you're done mixing, it's time to add in water. You can actually use milk if you want. I'm using 1 cup of water here, but for the recipe, I think I used 1.5 cup. Okay, so please, when you're trying to add in water, make sure that you don't over add excess. Make sure that you don't add excess water into your dough, because if you do, your dough will be too soft, or let's just say your dough will be too sticky on your hands, and whereby finding it difficult to mold your egg rolls. So if you want to follow this recipe, you can feel free to do that. Okay, and just be conscious of the water. I think I used 1.5 cup, because after I've added 1 cup, I had to add extra half cup, to make my dough not too sticky and not too heavy, but it should just be in the middle. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but even though you mistakenly add excess water and your dough becomes sticky, you can add in some little bit of flour. But know that when you add in some flour, and then by the time you're done frying the egg roll, your dough or your egg will be too hard. So egg roll is supposed to be soft, not too soft though, but when you're eating it, you are supposed to feel that softness and not hard. Let us say crunchy, and at the same time soft. Like, I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but I'm sure you guys understand what I'm saying. So at this point, I had to add a little bit of flour, so that it can help me to knead it completely. Please note that for dough like this, you don't need to, over knead it. It's just for you to massage it or romance it. Let me use the word, okay? So it's not like fondant you have to knead with too much pressure. So you just have to, like, roll it all over your table. Even if you're trying to make meat pie, it's the same thing. So anything pastry dough, you don't need to knead it, okay? So when you're done kneading it, you have to put it in a clean film, like, as use a clean film to cover it, and then allow it to rest for like 20 minutes or 15 minutes. So at this point I've done all those things and it's time to make the egg roll. Now I feel like this is the right this is the moment here, because a lot of people's egg roll, people have issues, probably when they mold their egg rolls, and then when it's fine, it just chooses to open. I don't know if you have such experiences. This is because you did not, try to. I think the dough number one is the issue, and the second one is, did not try to lock it up very, very well. Okay, so here I'm going to show you guys my method of how I do that. Here I was trying to measure my dough. As you can see, it's saying 100 gram here. If you want to do 70 grams, fine. But whenever I'm trying to make egg rolls, I love all my egg rolls to be equal. I don't want one to be big and one to be small. So this is the reason why I always love to, measure my dough so that everything can be equal. Please, guys, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Give this video a massive thumbs up right now. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Please, if you see my ads, if you see any ads pop up here on this video, please feel free to watch it. I'm begging you, do not skip it, because this is the only way you can support me here on my channel. Okay, so as you do this, thank you and God bless, and don't forget to drop nice comments here, concerning this video. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys have seen how I normally, lock up my egg roll, but I'm still going to, show you guys the second one so you guys can, understand how I normally, lock up my egg roll. So when you take a dough, you try to, I try to, knead it with my hand again, just like what you're watching here right now. And I try to stretch it a bit, and then I put the egg inside and I lock it up. Now this is a trick. So I take up the excess from it, right? Then I use a little bit of water to seal up that place that where I cut off the excess. I use water to seal it up, and then I, roll it again. That's why it's egg roll. I dip my hands into a little bit of flour. I roll it up again so that everything can be properly locked, as you can see here in this video, so that even when I'm frying it, it will not be opening, right? So there's another reason why most egg rolls open, on the fire while frying it. So I'm going to come to that and show you guys, explain to you all the reason why. So I hope you're enjoying this video. Hope you're getting I hope you're getting value here. Please, if you do, give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it. I'm going to talk to you guys much later. So you guys, at this point, I was done molding. I hope you guys understand how I got to achieve something like this. Please, if you don't, you can ask questions and I will definitely, answer you guys, okay? So I'm done with this and it's time, for me to fry the egg. You can see here, everything is well locked up, right? So it's time to fry the egg roll. So while, you're molding, you can as well, put up your oil for you to heat up. Now, for me to know if my oil is hot, I have to put a little bit of dough inside my oil, right? Now, this is the method I want to share with you all. For your egg roll not to open, on the fire while frying it, make sure that your oil is very, very hot, like really, 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 really hot. So by the time you put in your dough, the body becomes to get smooth immediately, as you can see here in this video. So my oil was really, really very, very hot, and when I put all the egg roll, it gave me what I wanted, like the body was smooth enough. So probably like 2 minutes later I had to reduce the heat, because if you don't reduce the heat, the outer part will be brown and the inside will not get done properly. So please, when you do this method, when your oil is so hot, put in the dough. After like 2 minutes, you reduce it so that it can cook, gently. Okay. So guys, at this point the egg roll is ready, right? And I had to, bring it out from the cooker. So those buns you're seeing there was a leftover dough. I had to use it to make buns. So this recipe is perfect for buns and egg roll. Okay. So that's it, guys. So my egg roll is ready. You can see how smooth it is. There is no opening. Everything is just perfect with this egg roll. So this is me here trying to take it out of the from the cooker, and I'm going to show you guys the inside of this egg roll. Please make sure that you fry this egg roll in a deep oil. It's a deep frying method. Try not to use small quantity of oil. Use enough oil to fry your egg roll if you want to achieve something like this. So guys, the egg roll is ready. As you can see, looks so crunchy, looks so beautiful, and looks so nice. So guys, we come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you got value, please subscribe, like, share. Do not forget to watch the ads. Please don't skip my ads, guys. I beg you all. It's all your supporting. So guys, check out the inside of this egg roll. It looks so nice, right? That's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay joyful. Do not forget to subscribe once again. Thanks for watching, and bye, guys.